guys, so I'm sorry I'm facing the camera the other way because my face is a mess right now. So, yeah, it is New Year's Day. It's 2019. Today's January 1st, 2019. So, I'm really excited and see what's in store for 2019. Alexa, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And that is why I spoke with the Amazon Echo Dot. Got some oranges. What are you doing, Hollow? What are you doing? You know my mom is gonna clean up. There's so many confettis on the floor. Okay, brace yourselves. It is 19 degrees outside. Can you believe that? It is 19 degrees. See that? See that? It's 19 degrees. Holy crap. Can you believe that? Holy crap. It is only 19 degrees. Alright guys, there'll be no Fallout 76 today because we're cleaning the house. So I will do it tomorrow. But on the bright side, I'm feeling better today. So, we're cleaning the house up. But I don't know if we're supposed to do gaming videos also. So, yeah. But anyway, I was going to do some gameplay videos today, but we're cleaning the house. So, yeah. But anyway, we're cleaning the house. We need to clean all this confetti off. And also take down the tree and the rest of the Christmas decorations. So we're gonna tear down Christmas, hopefully. Hey, Wes?
Hey, what?
Tell the viewers that I will do Fallout 76 tomorrow.
You'll do Fallout 76 tomorrow.
I don't know, tell the viewers.
Hey,
I'm telling
let me
you.
tell the viewers. Somebody has dirty pants. She's about to go down the slide. What happens then?
I don't know, I make a mess.
No, just keep that. Okay, fine. I'm gonna throw some of that stuff away. Here she goes.
Oh.
Slide! Whee!
Oh man. Oh my gosh, this is my leftovers from last night. My leftovers, holy crap. This is my leftovers. And that is why I really love Little Smokies. They're my favorite food. We'll clean the living room and then my bedroom. This way needs cleaned up. Oh, everybody's getting cleaner, everybody's getting clean.
Help! Help! Help!
What are you doing, Vaughn?
Trying to get it started. No!
Still cleaning the floor. Alright guys, he's still playing Call of Duty World War II. That's why I couldn't go out here and do some Fallout 76 for you guys because of Ross playing Call of Duty World War II. So I will do Fallout 76 tomorrow, don't worry. But right now we're just gonna clean and Ross is playing the game. So as you watched yesterday's vlog, Brooke got me free gifts on New Year's Eve as a late Christmas gift exchange. I've been talking to her on a Facebook Messenger and I saw her open a gift from Facebook Messenger, and then she loves her Fujifilm camera, but I've been gone. So I got a peak one over there, it's on my desk, and also she got a tier one. So I just saw yesterday's vlog for New Year's Eve. That's doing New Year's Eve. So after I saw her open it, once came back home, bought me some gifts from work, and I opened mine. She got me this wallet that is from Bonaidia. Make your own, make your life colorful. They're from Bandita. That is so cool. The colorful wallet. So right. Store my money, cards, IDs, some socks. It has puppies on it, so that's cool. And the Sparkly watch band for Apple Watch Series 4. So yeah. So I really love this watch band. So yeah. So I just saw it in yesterday's vlog. So yeah, work got me that 3 gifts: the wallet, the socks, and the watch band. And I got her a Fujifilm camera. So she's loving this new camera so far. So yeah. Alright guys, guess what? The chicken did lay an egg. First 3 eggs. Do you believe that?
I can't believe it.
First 3 eggs. Is it a whole green egg?
Yep.
Can you believe that? That means we can make eggs.
Yep, we can.
So yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. The chicken's laid eggs.
Yes.
Look at that. What
She
happened,
wants to record that.
What happened?
Waited for 2 days.
I
3 days.
cannot believe you beat it. So you're done with the whole game?
No,
Yeah,
you've been
no,
on
get
the
her-
zombies.
That's how I do it.
You've been on the zombies.
Yeah.
Oh
No,
no.
this isn't the zombies one yet.
No, this is just a campaign.
This is the World War II.
The story mode.
Look at that. He beat this. He beat this.
Hours in the whole deal.
I told you guys, I stepped out of the shower and then he beat it. Congratulations, you won the prize. He won the prize. I told you guys, he did beat Call of Duty World War II. Holy crap. Ross did it. Ross did beat it. Alright guys, so we just got dinner from Firehouse Subs. And guess what? It takes Uber delivery now. So yeah, it takes Uber delivery. So yeah, here's my sub right here. So I think I'm about to eat it. So yeah. Alright guys, I passed my move goal. So I made it past 90 calories. So right now I'm in 190 or close to 120 calories. So yeah, one great way to start the new year with burning some calories. So that's helping keep me in shape. So I'm still healthy. But my cough is getting better. So yeah, I'm feeling better today. So hopefully I will get to gaming. I will get back to gaming. So don't worry about it. But right now I won't be doing gameplay videos tonight. But I will try to do it tomorrow. So yeah. Here it is. That's not like Hollow crying. She don't want to go to bed. She wants to stay up and play with me. But it's past her bedtime, guys. It is past her bedtime. Alright, guys. So I gotta go ahead and end this vlog because I need to relax. And I'll probably do some more gameplay videos tomorrow. So I will promise I will still do Fallout 76. I will do it. So yeah. But anyway, my mom is about to give me medicine because, you know, I have health issues right now. And that medicine helps me get better and keep me alive. So yeah, I still have medical issues. So yeah. But anyway, what a great way to start the new year with this. Relaxing and cleaning, all that stuff. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. But I hope that 2019 has a plan in store for us. So I'm excited because it is the new year. It is 2019. So yeah. But anyway, make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, it's all adventures you want to be. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.